Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy a domain name on ConvertLabs. So all we have to do, just like with websites, is go to domains here on the left menu. And if you have any domains already purchased, you'll see them here. And a domain name, if you don't know, is basically just your web address. So most people select their business name or a version of their business name. So all we have to do is just click on buy domain, and this is where it's going to take us, where we can enter in something like the awesomemaids.com, and it's going to show us if it's available or not. And if it's available, all we'll have to do is just click on buy domain. And here we see it's $13.47 per year. It's a separate subscription from ConvertLabs. So if you ever cancel your ConvertLabs subscription, you can also keep your domain subscriptions as well. And all you have to do is just buy it. And if that's the only domain you'll have, it'll be automatically connected to your website. Either if you haven't created a website yet, or if you have. So you can go ahead and do that there. And as a quick note for domain names, I recommend keeping it as short and sweet as you can and easy to spell. I'm a horrible speller, so I always appreciate a very easy to spell domain name. And it also helps your customers remember your company name. So if you have any if you need any help, or you have any questions, feel free to email us hello@convertlabs.io. Thanks.